people, my name is Meilin and this is one of my quick videos in my mini-series segment. I've been in the fashion industry for over 18 years and I've even had my own brand called Dragonfly, but now I'm here to give you some valuable tips on how to start your own fashion brand. So join the tribe. Today I'd like to touch on 3D design software, but before we get into that, please remember to subscribe, like, share with all your friends and family if you are enjoying these videos. Have you heard of 3D design in fashion? Is that the future? I'm sure most of you are aware of this, but I have to be completely transparent about it. I have very little knowledge on this, although I've been hearing this as the buzzword. So I decided to investigate a little bit and share it with you all. I will talk a little bit about their benefits of their use, about brands that are already implementing them, and also how you can learn to use them and how much different softwares cost. This technology is changing the way designers are approaching product development and pattern making. A badly fitted garment is every designer's worst nightmare. So with 3D fashion design software, one can eliminate the scope of human error and work more efficiently, all while increasing productivity and eliminating a lot of wasted time and resources, like materials. Basically, it's more of a slow fashion and sustainable application. 3D design software reduces negative environmental impacts such as cutting fabric waste up to 80%. Let's review some other interesting benefits. Number one, this augmented reality gives the designer the opportunity to build a 3D garment with ultra-realistic details, including the fabric drape and appearance on a digital avatar, which then consumers can zoom in on, rotate at 360 degrees, change colors and patterns, and so on. Designers and/or companies can spend a lot less money on samples, photo shoots, fabrics, and so on. And clothing can be made so much more accurate with less waste. Another benefit, instead of working on 2D pattern and files, fashion designers are using 3D softwares to stitch patterns together and provide a production-ready 3D version garment. Another one is that it speeds up production because designers can now perform many virtual iterations of a garment, and if a mistake was made in the design process, you can easily edit the pattern. And apparently they also have a number of time-saving features if you're making a symmetrical garment. Next one is it lowers sample making costs because you can literally do virtual 3D fittings, and it ensures a better fit since this 3D technology allows you to test the fit of your garments before sending them to production. With the help of the stress map feature, you can easily see the problem areas and fix them. Plus, you can review multiple fits. Another benefit, which is still about fabrics, is that many times manufacturers sustain large losses due to sourcing the wrong fabric. This normally happens when a bad fabric choice is made or there's a lack of fabric performance tests. Every fabric hangs differently and has a unique drape, but with this you can view the flow of different fabrics. It will help you get the final picture of the desired result. You also have the option of switching fabrics before making a purchase decision if needed. Last but not least, you can pre-sell your clothing before it is produced because of its realistic appearance and ability to see different colorways and prints. It has become an interactive client experience. I'm sure there are other benefits, but for now I would love to share with you companies that have implemented these software. There are over 444 companies that have started to use CLO3D, For example, some of these companies are Macy's, ASOS, Adidas, Inditex, Levi's, Hugo Boss, and Louis Vuitton. Like I mentioned previously, CLO3D is only one of many. Other similar software are Marvelous Designer, Browseware, Optitex, Tuca 3D, and Roma's CAD, which is a software specifically designed for the footwear and leather goods industry. Not too long ago, And the reason why I decided to make a video about it was that I was looking into taking classes to learn how to use CLO3D. There are now various learning platforms that offer it, like Udemy. But honestly, unless you really will use it constantly or you have access from a company's account, it is costly to maintain it. You can rent it either monthly or yearly. And for example, CLO3D is around $50 a month and about $450 a year with a 30-day free trial. And also Marvelous Designer is $39 a month and around $280 a year. It also provides a 30-day free trial period. So again, like unless you are fully committed into using it, it's up to you to realize what you plan to spend monthly on a software like this. But I do highly recommend it because 3D design tools can really totally redefine the fashion supply chain. And we know that the face of fashion is constantly evolving. So to have this incredible sustainable solution is so essential. So I would get on it if I were you. It's definitely a skill to hone in on. Well, that's all the time that I have for today, my wonderful tribe. If you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to add them down below. Share the love.